Alright, I'm gonna put some gloves on.
The cheat hat stays on.
Machine shop. Fuck! There's chips out of this shit. So we just need a little bit more. You slide that wrench over here? Red hot valve cup cock. You fucker. My name is Jeff.
Nice.
Beep beep.
I need to clock the 4, not the...
You need to cook both of them. Need you to move, fuck. Rock.
Daddy.
Oh! Cook another one. Head don't fit at the angle.
Yeah.
Need a wrench. I took all my shit out of here. So. Yeah, that's gonna be big enough. And I only think we can get one in. What the? Oh!
Give me your gun real quick.
Bear. So you do it, dude. Installing head or what? Should've just left the fucking plastic on there. You have assembly loop or what? You need that. Yeah, huh? On the bearing at least. Dude, I need a bigger fucking hole. Premium. Oh, it's out. I forgot I already did a pro seal. What's happening, bro? What the fuck? You gotta fucking pull that shit out of the way. Grab it. Like, plop that bitch in there. You put plugs in?
We're good. First thing, slam gas pedal all the way to the ground and hold it there. All right, let go. Go.
Ah, dude, hold on.
I don't think the fucking starter solenoid's can connect. There we go.
Fire one. I think I'm out of gas, bro.
Okay.
Do we have oil pressure?
Probably.
You don't know?
No.
That went way too lean.
No throttle?
A little bit, yeah, but it's choppy as fuck. Fuck! He ran.
Dude, it ran.
He ran. I just wanted to hear that fucking whistle. Where's it at right now?
200, it's going down.
Okay, guys. So basically, today we're going to be.
Go home. Weight reduction. broke my fucking throttle. $3,300, dude. Is she looking at you? How much boost did it make?
15.
That's it? That's how I'll be working overtime, dude. Perfect. All right. How to trim your trees. Oh shit. I didn't know that Karen down the road called him. Should I hit two-step? So I can let him know what's going on? Clear side of window right now. Fixed it! $8,000.
8,000?
Do it.
Holy shit, okay.
You've never heard of red block at 8,000. Damn, not on. Fuck, it broke my mirror. Dang it.
Perfect.
My neighbors aren't yelling at me yet.
I call that success.
Like and subscribe.